Okay, this module is about Google Docs, where you are able to write, edit, and collaborate wherever you are for free. So to open a Google Doc, you will go over here, go down to Google Drive, and select from the drop-down menu, Google Docs. And if you go over to the right, you will see that you can create a blank document, or you can create a Google Doc from a template. So typically you would use your templates for if you want to create a resume, a sales flyer, greeting card, and you needed a good idea, you can use a template. We're going to go here and just create a regular blank document. Now, the thing I like about Google Docs is very similar to a typical Microsoft Word document. However, it just has extra features that Microsoft Word may or may not have. So here you have all of your typical settings that you will see for a Word document. So you can start writing a paper, you can start creating a flyer, or whatever you want to do here. It's just a normal document. So I'm just going to type my name to show you. You can still choose the different type of font you want to use, what size you want it to be, if you want to change the colors of your font. All of those features are here on Google Docs. Also, you can go up here, insert a table. You can go over here and insert images, links, drawings, charts. Like I said, typically just like a Word document works. Now, if you look up here, it says all changes saved in the drive. This is a really cool feature because as you're working on your Google document, all of your writing or whatever you're doing is saving automatically within so many seconds. So you don't have to worry about losing a document or trying to save the document because it automatically saves by itself. It's saved in the drive. Another good feature about Google Docs and anything on the Google Drive apps is that they're a great collaboration too. So for instance, if you're working on a group project, and say both of you guys or three of you guys are working on the Google Doc at once and you want to chat amongst each other, over here in the comments area, you would just click on comments and a drop down box will come up where you can actually type and actually have a live chat with your group member. As long as they're on the document, they'll actually see what you're saying. So that's another good feature. So after you have finished your Google document, and you want to share it, there are a number of ways that you can share a Google document. So you'll go over here to the share button. You want to name your document, of course, and you will save it. And then here you're able to enter people's names or their email addresses. Now names will pop up if they're people who are already in your Google contacts, or if not, you can type in their email addresses. And one thing I do like about Google Docs and other Google apps is that you can share with others, but you can limit to what they're able to do. So over here, once I type in an address or a name, I can say that I want them to be able to edit this document, be able to comment on the document, or just be able to view it. So this typically helps a lot if you're working with students in your classroom and you want them to just view a document. You don't want them to really be able to edit it. Or if you want to send a document to your students and maybe the skill is actually editing, then you would click on allowing them to edit the document. And so once you do that, you can either send the document right here by clicking send, or you can get a shareable link. And this link is also nice because you can just send this link out via email, or you can embed this link anywhere on a website, on a mass email or whatever, and people are able to access the link and they will come straight to your Google Drive, and you would just click send or embed that link. Okay. So that's pretty much how Google Docs work. Like I said,